you've left me here to roam. I don't know why you did, dear, but I do know that you're gone. I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep awake, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two. Walking the floor over you. Lonesome too, but walking the floor is good for you. Just keep right on walking and it won't hurt you to cry. Remember that I love you and I will